In this video we're going to look at how we deal with linear inequalities. Now, the inequality sign shouldn't scare you. It works in exactly the same way as an equal sign would. So we can rearrange the expressions either side of the inequality just like we would with an equal sign. However, there is a slight difference, and we will get to that in a moment. So let's just continue on and simplify this as we usually would if it was an equal sign. So we've got 2y plus 1 is less than or equal to 7 minus, now I'm going to multiply this bracket out, so we've got minus 2 times y is minus 2y, and we've got minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. Okay, so I'm just going to simplify the right hand side of that inequality. So I've got 7 plus 6 is 13. Take away 2y. Now I'm going to add 2y to both sides, like so. Now I'm going to take 1 away from both sides, and then divide through by 4. So y is less than or equal to 3. Okay, there was nothing different there. You working with an inequality. Okay. Right, next up. Let's look at minus 2x is less than 10. Okay, very simple inequality, this one. Now, I've brought this one as an example in that where things go slightly wrong. So, to get x by itself, I can do two different things. The first way is to rearrange. So, I'm going to add 2x to both sides, then take 10 from both sides, and then divide through by 2. That is a perfectly adequate way of solving this inequality. A quicker way, however, would have been just to divide through by minus 2. Okay, so x. Now, when I divide or multiply with a negative number in an inequality, then the inequality sign changes direction. So x is now greater than, and 10 divided by minus 2 is minus 5. So notice how these are the same. Okay, so be warned that the sign changes if you divide or multiply through by a negative number. The last example I'm going to look at is this one. So we've got some algebraic fractions involved as well. So it's a little bit of practice. So first off, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So I'm just going to get the 2x plus 1. And I'm going to get 2x minus 2 on top of the fraction over 3 is less than or equal to 10. Because remember, I've multiplied this fraction by 2 and the 5 by 2 as well. Now I'm going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of the denominator. So I've got 6x plus 3, take away 2x minus 2 is, watch out, this is take away this fraction, okay, so it's take away a minus number here, so that has become a plus. Well spotted, Mr. Brown. And I've also got 3 times 10, which is 30. Okay, so I've got 6x, take away 2x is 4x. I've got 3 plus 2 is 5. And less than or equal to 30. Take 5 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 4. So x is less than or equal to 25 quarters. Okay.